Two of you like each other virtually. Have you ever asked yourself, are we going to be together? Have you people prayed about this? And two of you conclude that you will be. Who prayed the prayer? Who prayed the prayer? Two of you prayed the prayer and conclude that you will marry and last. Okay. May God bless two of you.
Amen.
May the Lord bless you too.
Amen.
Very fast guy, very smart. Two of you pray. Very smart, intelligent, and fast guy. Two of you pray. Very smart girl, intelligent, hardworking. Two of you pray. Okay, may God bless two of you.
Amen.
Let me see her. There is money. There is money you get, and the gift you accepted. That you shouldn't have. When do you start coming to Zion? Huh?
Last month.
So who brought you to Zion?
My boyfriend wants me here.
Where is he? Whatever. Go check. Whatever. Your destiny is against one or two things. What is he doing? That's your boyfriend. What is he doing? That what you know. Only what he's doing. Okay. Because he's here, that's something I would have said. I don't want to say it. Okay, but let me say it in your ear. But don't tell him. Are you going to listen to him? Where is the person? Is he aware? This is your boyfriend. Is he aware of the gift? He was very angry. Is he the one that brought you to Zion? Wait, that person that gave you a gift, where is he now? I don't know. But most people don't know what I'm saying. So this person now here is your boyfriend. You know him who brought you here? He brought you. Huh? Okay, let him come. Oh. 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 Okay. There is a gift she collected. Did she tell you? Huh?
Yes, she told me.
She told you. That means she's a good woman. That person that gave her the money is the uniform person I don't want to mention. Huh?
Yes, sir.
But you are not talking with him again. So, if your destiny is fine, it's not everything you take, right? Tell that person it's not everything you take.
It's not everything you do.
It's not everybody you will accept his gift.
It's not everybody who accepts it.
Because you're preserving your. So something happened to you after accepting that gift. Something changed in you. There's a song my stepmother, Regina, Adagrom. And so, taking that gift changed a lot of things. Glory was needed. Favor will come today.
Amen.
Two of you like each other virtually. Have you ever asked yourself, are we going to be together? Have you people prayed about this? And two of you conclude that you will be. Who prayed the prayer? Who prayed the prayer? Two of you prayed the prayer and conclude that you will marry and last. Yeah. Okay. May God bless two of you.
Amen.
May the Lord bless you too.
Amen.
Very fast guy, very smart. Two of you pray. Very smart, intelligent, and fast guy. Two of you pray. Very smart girl, intelligent, hardworking. Two of you pray. Okay, may God bless two of you.
Amen.
I'm after you that God takes away something that have changed when you accepted money from a uniform person. That is the only thing, not anything about relationship. But the Lord start to free young lady, and I free you today in the name of Jesus.
Jesus.
Now may God bless you. It is well with you.